Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're down here on the beachfront drinking coffee and kicking off spring break 2023 here on the upper Texas coast. Got some cloud cover today, but I think we're going to see some sunshine. I know yesterday was a nice day. In fact, it was perfect down here. And so we've got a little front coming in next Sunday, tomorrow. And remember, time changes tonight. So right now it's 6:23. Tomorrow it'll actually be 7:23. And so time changes an hour. It springs forward. And so we lose an hour of sleep. So if you have to be at work at one of the restaurants around here, 9:30 or 10, you're actually going to be there at 8:30 or 9. And so make sure you get in bed early tonight and get ready for tomorrow, because there'll be some people late tomorrow. Most of the phones and clocks now, I know my truck doesn't change automatically, I don't think, but I know my phone and that does. And so if you've got your alarm set, you shouldn't have any trouble if you set your alarm, or at least I don't think so. So anyway, spring break's kicking off. We're going to be on the beach today. In fact, we're going to be on the beach every day with free giveaways. So remember, we've got the secret phrase giveaway that starts Monday morning. And we're going to be giving away an RTIC cooler every day starting Monday through Friday in the first live feed of the day. And so listen for the secret phrase. And we packed the coolers full of goodies yesterday. There's koozies, there's t-shirts, there's tumbler, one of the Bolivar Live tumblers. We've got coffee cups, we've got frisbees. And you never know, one or two of them may have a gift certificate or some cash in it. You never know. So anyway, make sure you listen in. When you hear the secret phrase, look for the Bolivar Live truck. The first person that day to find the Bolivar Live truck and give the secret phrase wins that day's coolers. And then we'll take a picture. You get the cooler. We'll have the cooler on the truck. You'll get the cooler, and then we'll take a picture. And at the end of the week, maybe next Sunday or Monday, we'll do a live feed and show everyone that won, show inside the coolers what they won and who won it and where they're from. So it'll be neat to see who wins it. I know Chris and I were up at getting some crawfish last night at Jose's, and one guy said he's going to be listening for me Monday morning. He wants one of the hard-sided coolers. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're giving away the hard-sided coolers. And on Tuesday and Thursday, we're giving away the soft-sided coolers. But don't think that the soft-sided coolers are any less than the big-sided cooler, hard-sided coolers, because you never know. We may add to that. And so anyway, we're looking forward to spring break down here. I know I'm on the beach now down by the washout, and we've got campers as far as I can see down here. And so we're looking forward to spring break. We're going to be driving the beach. If you see the Bolivar Live truck on the beach, make sure you wave your arms, flag us down, and ask us what's free today, because we've always got free giveaways. And on the secret phrase giveaways, you can find us on the beach, in a parking lot, wherever. You just can't come and chase us down in a restaurant or a business. We have to be outside. And so anyway, we're excited about that. This is the first time Anthony is going to be working with us during spring break. In fact, he's going to meet me at the office at 7 o'clock this morning, and we're going to work some this morning. And then we're going to go home and rest, because we're going to go out tonight and shoot some promo footage for the new Bolivar Live weekly music lineup. That's every Thursday at 4 p.m. We've got a couple shows. We're going to be shooting a lot this week, getting footage for some of our intros, some of our new shows. Plus, we're going to be driving the beach streaming to our YouTube and Roku and Amazon Fire. Make sure you go to YouTube and like us, subscribe us, hit the bell, or you can download our Roku Bolivar Live TV on Roku and Amazon Fire, because this year we're going to stream more to those 3 areas than we are anywhere else. We're still going to do our shows on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and that, but we are going to stream more to YouTube and our Amazon Fire TV and Roku. And so it's a free download. If you have Roku TV, look up Bolivar Live TV, download it. And we've actually have live streams on there. We've got the playlist, which is all the shows for that week. And by Thursday at noon, all those are the newest shows. And then we have some subcategories on there. Some of the area businesses have their own channel on there, and you can go back and see past shows, or the first one's always the newest show. We've got events going up on there. We're going to have the music venue outlook on there, so that you can go there and see the weekly show on the live music. And so that way we're going to keep you connected 24/7, 365 days a year to this 27 miles of beachfront paradise. So want to thank the Big Store for everything they do in the community and sponsoring this Bolivar Live feed. And also, I want to thank the sponsors of the Secret Phrase giveaway, because without them, we couldn't do it. And I'm going to show you real quick the banner on it, because these businesses stepped up, and there's the coolers we're giving away. The white coolers will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The green ones, or turquoise, will be on Tuesday and Thursday. But West Canal Beach Buggies, if you need a golf cart rental, look them up online at westcanalbeachbuggies.com. Gabriel Insurance, for insurance on your home or business, maybe coastal insurance, flood, windstorm, automobile renters, give Gabriel Insurance a call. They're in Beaumont, but they really work the Bolivar area. If you're tired of toting bags and groceries up in your beach house, give Beach House Easy Lift Cargo Lift a call. You can find them online at beachhouselifts.com. Once again, Bolivar Live TV was a sponsor for the Secret Phrase giveaway. Download our channel. It's free on Roku and Amazon Fire, or go to YouTube and like our page. Subscribe to it. Hit the bell so you know when we're live. And the Big Store. When you're on Bolivar and you need anything, stop by the Big Store, because they have it all. If they don't, you don't need it. So anyway, just wanted to say thanks to all the sponsors for stepping up and making sure we can have the Secret Phrase giveaway. Also, we're bringing back the Hunt for Bolivar. And Jeannie K made some cool rocks. We're going to do a show on that once we get through spring break. We've got the Good Morning Bolivar Tuesday morning free breakfast with a speaker at Jose's. This week, the Eagles, Jim Denny's is talking. He's going to talk about the Eagles and what their mission is. Also about the cook-off coming up, and we've got more information on that we're going to be bringing you here in the next week or so. We've got the watermelon crawl in April, the sunrise service in April on the beachfront. If you haven't seen it, you can't miss it. And White Cross is going to be playing at that same location Friday night, Saturday night before Easter sunrise service, and that's a great concert. Michael Fagan is a local down here, drummer on it. They travel the world, and so you're going to want to see that. We have the Crab Festival coming up. We're working on videos for that. We've got a lot going on down here, and we're going to keep you connected 24/7, 365 days a year to everything Bolivar Peninsula, because we want you to come down and enjoy this 27 miles of paradise. So anyway, well, I'm about out of coffee. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm going to have to get back to the office so that we can start our day, start seeing what's going on. We've got shows we've been working on for next week already, and so Anthony's coming in. If you see Anthony out with me, make sure you welcome him to the Bolivar Live team. He's a great asset, doing great work. This was his first week working on the videos for next week, and so they may be a little different, but he's getting it down, and want to welcome him and thank him for everything he does. So we're going to head on out. Make sure you go download our Bolivar Live TV on Roku, Amazon Fire, and also go to our YouTube page, like it, subscribe it, hit the bell so you know when we're live here on the Upper Texas Coast, Bolivar Peninsula. Remember, Bolivar is always live and it's always here. So we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. We'll see you a little bit later on, probably from the beachfront. Make sure you ask us what's free today. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.